My name is Thomas Alva Edison. I was born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio. My hobby is reading. The Age of Reasons is one of my favorite books. My favorite food is baked apple dumplings. And my favorite sports is baseball. I also really like science, and my favorite activity is performing chemistry experiments. I really dislike small talks and referring my invention as successes or failures. I was taught reading, writing, and arithmetics by my mother, who used to be a teacher. I only attended school for a few months and then left shortly after. As a child, I became fascinated with technology and spent hours and hours working experiments. At the age of 12, I developed hearing problems, which made one of my ears deaf. As I got older, I believe that my hearing loss allowed me to avoid distractions and concentrate more easily on my work. I used to sell candies, newspapers, and vegetables on trains running from Port Huron to Detroit. And then I became a telegraph operator after I saved 3-year-old Jimmy McKenzie from being struck by a runaway train. Some of my inventions are the phonograph and the light bulb. Some of my problems while inventing are monetary problems and hearing problems. One of my conflicts is the war of currents with Nikola Tesla, and some of my obstacles are my creations get rejected and things do not go as planned, causing monetary losses. Finally, my major accomplishments or achievements. Some of my personal achievements are spending my whole life on inventions and building a good family. Some of my professional achievements are inventing the movie camera, improving the telegraph and telephone, and finally, invented the phonograph. Thank you for listening.